sprinkling tomato seeds evenly in the soil and watering gently to keep the soil moist. This is the first step toward healthy tomato growth. Adding natural calcium powder to strengthen the roots and stems, followed by careful watering. After a few days, tiny tomato seedlings start to appear. As the plants grow bigger, adding vegetable peels as organic fertilizer to enrich the soil and boost tomato production. Finally, the tomatoes are fully grown and ready to harvest. Cutting fresh, healthy tomatoes straight from the plant. Homegrown tomatoes at their best.